Okay, 1983 VW Quantum 1.6 turbo diesel. We've got the glow plug on. Here is the starter switch. Now I did drive it 2 blocks to get down here. I'll take some pictures of it in better light. But there she is. I received this on a trade for a bike that I restored. Do a quick walk around. Interior is fantastic. It does have an aftermarket steering wheel from VW Scirocco, maybe. Metal super clean. I'll take some shots of the undercarriage as well. Could use some larger tires and could use a little brake work, but other than that, ready to go.